Sleeping for 8 hours every night for a month can significantly transform various aspects of your health and well-being, enhancing everything from your mental clarity to your physical health. Here's in this video a comprehensive look at what you can expect if you consistently hit that sweet spot of sleep each night. 1. Energized living. Imagine jumping out of bed every morning like a superhero launching off to save the day. This could be you after committing to 8 hours of sleep nightly. Studies have shown that sufficient sleep fills your energy tank, making daily tasks feel less like a chore and more like a choice. Enhanced energy levels not only improve your efficiency, but also sharpen your decision-making skills, enabling you to handle challenges with agility and poise. You'll notice a brighter mood and a more positive outlook, making even Monday mornings feel like a breeze. This sustained vigor can turn everyday activities into opportunities for success and personal growth, transforming how you navigate both personal and professional landscapes. Proper sleep essentially recharges your body's batteries, giving you the zest needed to excel and enjoy life's moments fully. 2nd, crystal clear cognition. Have you ever wished for a magic solution to enhance your brain power? Regular sleep might be just what you need. Getting 8 hours of sleep a night can significantly sharpen your mental clarity. It's like giving your brain a nightly tune-up, ensuring you're running on all cylinders the next day. Memory, attention, and problem-solving skills get a major boost, much like upgrading your computer's processor. During sleep, your brain engages in a critical cleanup process, removing toxins and unnecessary information, which enhances memory retention and learning capabilities. This nightly reset helps you approach each day with a fresh mind, ready to tackle complex tasks and absorb new information more effectively. Improved cognitive function means you can manage daily demands with precision and adapt to changes with ease, setting you up for success in every endeavor. 3. Emotional equilibrium. Ever noticed how the world seems brighter after a good night's sleep? There's science behind that. Regular, quality sleep can stabilize your emotions, making you less prone to swings and more adept at handling stress. It's akin to weatherproofing your mood against the storms of daily frustrations. Consistent good sleep acts like a buffer against the pressures of daily life, enhancing your ability to remain calm and collected under stress. It reduces the risk of falling into emotional pitfalls and helps maintain a steady and positive mood throughout the day. People who prioritize sleep are also less likely to suffer from severe mood disorders such as depression and anxiety, making it a key player in your mental health toolkit. By nurturing your mind with adequate rest, you're setting yourself up for emotional resilience and greater psychological well-being. 4th, heart health hero. Sleeping your way to a healthier heart sounds like an easy win, right? 8 hours of sleep per night acts like a mini spa for your heart. It lowers blood pressure and heart rate, giving your heart a much-needed break. Over time, this can reduce your risk of heart disease and stroke, making each night's rest a silent guardian of your cardiovascular health. This simple, enjoyable habit not only ensures that your heart gets the rest it needs to function optimally, but also contributes to a longer, healthier life. During sleep, your body goes into repair mode, helping to heal and strengthen the heart and blood vessels. This nightly renewal is crucial for preventing arterial wear and tear and managing stress hormones that can contribute to heart issues. Embrace this restorative practice and watch as it pays off with dividends in heart health and beyond. This beneficial impact on heart health is supported by numerous studies showing that sufficient sleep helps regulate the body's stress hormones and inflammation levels, key factors in cardiovascular health. 5th immune fortress. Building a fortress around your health starts with sleep. Those who catch their full 8 hours are better equipped to fend off invaders like viruses and bacteria. Sleep acts as a booster for your immune system, optimizing your body's ability to respond to illnesses. It's like having an internal security system that's always on guard, ensuring you stay healthier and recover faster from sickness. Adequate sleep promotes the production of cytokines, immune molecules that help combat infections and inflammation. Regularly achieving deep sleep phases can enhance this effect, fortifying your body's defenses against disease. By making sleep a priority, you keep your immune system robust and ready to protect you. This sleep-induced strengthening of the immune system is crucial, especially during flu season or when exposed to other health challenges. The link between sleep and immune function is well documented, with studies showing that well-rested people are less likely to catch colds and other infections. 6. The spark in your love life. Looking to rekindle the flames of passion? Regular restorative sleep can significantly boost your libido. For men, sleeping well is directly linked to higher testosterone levels, which in turn can enhance sexual performance and drive. For women, adequate sleep can improve sexual desire and overall sexual function, reducing stress and balancing hormones. Couples who both get adequate sleep are likely to enjoy a more harmonious relationship, not just emotionally, but physically too. Prioritizing bedtime isn't just about getting rest, it's about maintaining a vibrant, healthy love life. Making those 8 hours a night part of your routine can lead to a happier, more fulfilling relationship. Well-rested individuals report better satisfaction with their sex life and relationship overall, as they are better equipped to communicate effectively and share intimacy without the interference of fatigue or irritability. Consider sleep an essential ingredient in the recipe for romantic success, enhancing both emotional connection and physical intimacy. 7. Longevity's little secret. Want to add years to your life? Sleep might be one of the most straightforward answers. Research links adequate sleep with a longer lifespan by reducing stress, inflammation, and other risk factors for chronic diseases. Sleeping enough each night could be your easiest and most enjoyable longevity strategy. It's like signing up for a life extension plan that doesn't require a gym membership or a kale-heavy diet. Studies have shown that those who consistently sleep between 7 to 8 hours have a lower risk of premature death compared to those who sleep less. Sleep supports critical body functions that fight aging and disease, making it a cornerstone of a long and healthy life. This relationship between sleep and longevity is supported by numerous studies, indicating that good sleep habits can significantly extend your lifespan by enhancing the body's natural repair processes and reducing the impact of aging factors. 8. Nutritional balance and hydration. Sleep influences more than just your energy and mood. It also plays a crucial role in how your body manages hydration and nutrition. Proper sleep promotes the release of hormones that help regulate appetite and hydration levels, ensuring that your body is efficiently using the nutrients you consume and maintaining adequate water levels. It's essentially like hitting the reset button on your body's natural balance systems each night. During sleep, your body works to optimize its metabolic processes, which includes balancing glucose levels and managing caloric intake efficiency. This regulatory mechanism helps in weight management and can prevent overeating. By ensuring a good night's sleep, you're setting the stage for healthier eating habits and improved overall health. Sleep ensures that hormone levels, including those that control hunger and satiety signals, such as ghrelin and leptin, are well regulated. This balance is crucial for preventing cravings and erratic eating behaviors, which can lead to overeating or choosing unhealthy foods. Hope you enjoyed this journey into the power of sleep. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to get your 8 hours tonight. Sweet dreams!